So locally, AFT union leaders are playing a role not just by pushing local policy, but also working to convene tables across their municipalities. So that could be pulling the mayor's office to the table to look at the other public agencies and how resources are being distributed. And how can the distribution of resources, whether it's across the local, the district, the health agencies, the child welfare agencies, and any others, the public library system, for example, how can we all come together to meet the needs of these schools that have been identified through the local neighborhood by neighborhood assessments that are being done. So that's one way, is convening those systems level thinkers and the people who hold the money for these budgets that go into the schools and into the community, but also making stronger connections with community coalitions. So we have these community coalitions that are community-based organizations, but also grassroots organizing groups who help support the development of whether it's a local policy, but also in some cases, for example, really not just develop the community schools policy, but in Pittsburgh, for example, the union, along with the community coalition, Great Public Schools, was able to be a part of the superintendent's not just interview process, but selection process, in that they made sure that the questions in the interview dealt with community schools, so that they were guaranteed that no matter which superintendent would come next, that they would get one that would support all of this work that they had done and developed a critical mass around, so that they would be supported in the implementation.